Hi, my name is Brian, and I'm going to walk you through the sales page filters that are available to you. So really quick, the first thing you need to understand is that there's two levels of filtering. There's the global filter up here at the top, and then there's the child filters available here at the bottom. So this global filter, whatever you select here from all of your options available to you, is going to affect all of the data farther down on this page. Over here on the left, you can control the breakdown. So this is how your data is actually grouped on this page, right? This is going to affect everything below and all the charts and all of the dashboards that you will see on this page. Beneath that, you can actually add specific filters to whatever metrics you might want to be looking at. So let's say you have some sort of global filter where you want to throw out or exclude some level of data, but you want to add even more detailed granularity filters on one-day transactions. Let's say you only want to see influencer one-day transactions here. You have the option to create these filters, right? You can also adjust the granularity of your data by day. You can look at different time periods and control what sort of time period you're comparing your data to. I also recommend that you come over here and play around with the chart views and types available to you to help you identify patterns in your data even faster. An important thing, once you have finally set up your customized view, where you've got all of the high level, global, and child filters set up the way you want it, be sure to save this view for later so that you don't have to come in here and remake it. Also, share this with your coworkers or other stakeholders you might be working with. And that's filtering on the sales page. Have fun.